Hello, today is August 19th, 2017. Let's go over our calls. I was looking for a pattern with an early low, which we got. The pattern on Monday, I believe, will have the same change in trend times as we saw Thursday, with an early low, a late high, and a drop in the middle of the day. The pattern tends to have a positive spin to it, but it doesn't have to be positive as we saw Thursday. We said there was a chance for having a gap up, but also said it wasn't required. It was obvious before the open that wasn't going to happen. We get to cross this MEJT target off the list. It's nice how the market remembers it as a support level even after all this time. Here's the MEJT software in the afternoon. It said lower prices were coming. The target's been hit. These lines are support levels, so we stopped at the MEJT support level. Early on, the system said ultimately lower and higher prices would print. When that happens, the early morning tends to be trendless. If there is a break, it tends to retrace. That's what happened. Most other systems will give signals and then you act. MEJT gives signals, only sets a target. It doesn't give an entry or an exit. At this point, you don't know what to do. You don't know if you're going down first or up first. But after you drop out of the range, and after you've hit a support level, you at least realize you're at a support level and the higher prices are predicted by the system. Now, I can't personally take any trade like this because I work and I'm not around to take my money here or to have a stop if I'm wrong. But if you're trading throughout the day, at least the system gives you a reasonable entry and it tells you how much the minimum expectation is. Well, how about Monday? Well, I think Monday's call is a bit harder than the long-term call, which remains the same, that the high of this leg has been seen. We have my timing system I'm looking into, which seems to be working, which has today, August 19th, as a change in trend. Since the trend has been down, it would call for a low either Friday or Monday. So what are the chances this is a low? I think we'll know for sure at Monday's open, but the chances this low holds are pretty good. We have a wall into the close. Often that gaps up. Against that is the fact that we're dropping into Friday's close. Usually a drop like this on Friday carries through into Monday's open. So if we have the gap up, it would be a real sign something else was going on. In addition to the support from this pattern and from this line, we also have on the 30-minute chart to mark sequential buy signal and 11, possibly 12, possibly 13, which don't have to obey all the rules, possibly a combo buy signal also. This is an old TDST line. It's on the 78-minute chart and the 65-minute chart. It shows that we've stopped at the close at a demarked support level. These are GAN support resistance lines. You can see how the level we saw Friday is support. The breadth has been dropping like crazy, but if you count the bars, you'll see we have combo signal to buy. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of the bars for the countdown, which obey the rules, and that would indicate that the breadth could actually improve on Monday. Finally, we won't know until later if this counts right, but there at least is a count with an A, B, C, with wave C equal to A. So if we do have a rally from this point, there's at least something from Elliott which gives it some support. I won't be around Monday because I'm going to be traveling to see the eclipse. I don't know if I'm going to have a report Monday evening or not. I might get home too late. But we have a chance for this low holding and for a rally on Monday. And if that's the case, it would be clearer if we were to gap up when we open. So I think the opening trade's going to be critical. If instead this low falls by more than an insignificant amount, I think a lot of this hypothesis falls by the wayside. We're hoping to see us gap up and rally Monday. If it's wrong, we should know from the open, and that's today's call.